Hello my lovely people, welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. It's your home, it's my home, it's our home. And if you are my returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back to support me. So today I am going to be preparing homemade puree for my baby. You know, when you go to the supermarket, you see a lot of baby food. I don't buy them. I don't buy any baby food. Even there are some that they gave me as gift, I still have them there. I make everything fresh for my baby. I want my baby to be very healthy. So this is why I am taking my time to prepare his food at home. And that is also why I can't stop sharing these recipes with you. So are you ready? Let's go. So today we are going to be preparing sweet potato, green peas, and chicken breast for our baby, and they must be 6 months and above. Once they are 6 months, you can start giving them this food. So all that we need to do now is for us to peel our sweet potato, wash them very well, and bring them to boil. So this is what I'm going to do. After cutting, I still like to wash my vegetables or fruits, especially when I'm preparing it for my baby. As I said earlier in my video, they are tender, so be very careful. Whatever you are doing for them, you should be extremely careful. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm going to wash it one more time again, then before bringing it to boil. So I also have, because my green peas is a frozen one, I'm just going to put some water so that it will start melting before putting it on fire. So I also have my breast chicken. I'm just going to give it some cuts so that it will done on time, because our little boy is hungry and wants to eat as soon as possible. So what I will be doing here is very simple. You can use fish, you can use beef, if you don't have chicken, you can use fish or beef. So I have my water here. I am not going to be boiling this ingredients on a direct pot. So I have this my steaming basket. So I'm just going to put my potato in there, and I will also be adding my chicken, and after a while I will also be adding my green peas. You know, green peas we cook in less than 5 minutes. So I just have to cook the hard ingredient first, which are sweet potato and chicken. So I just added my green peas to it. So now I am going to cover it and let it cook for at least another 5 minutes. Why I am using this steam basket is that I don't want to cook it on fire, because I may not be adding water to blend it. But if you will be using a blender, I think you will need some water, so you can boil it directly on fire in a pot. So let me just say, after 10 to 15 minutes total, our green peas, sweet potato, and chicken is well done. So I just take my food processor. I'm just going to throw everything in there, and I will just blend for some minutes. And after 2 or 3 minutes, here is the outcome of our homemade puree. So I'm just going to transfer it in a bowl now, and I am going to add a spoon of olive oil. Guys, I want to use this opportunity to thank you for all that you guys are doing on my channel. I really appreciate. May God bless you all. Please continue to share me out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please use this opportunity to subscribe and support a sister, and my God will bless you. So as you can see, I just add a spoon of olive oil to my puree. So I'm just going to give it a very good mix, and our puree is ready. Very easy and ready. And I want you to have this in mind, that any baby recipes I'm bringing to you here, I have done some research on them, and I know that it is safe for babies. That is why I am bringing it to you, and my baby is eating it. So that is why at the end of every of my video that I prepare a baby food, I must make sure that I feed my baby, for you to know that yes, I am really giving the food to my baby. so you have nothing to be scared of. If you want to give it a try, feel free and give this food a try, and I know that you will love it. So it is now time for us to feed our baby. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you do, please help me to share this video out, share it on your social medias, share it with your family and friends, and my God will bless you. And if you have not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscription button and subscribe to my channel. And you can see he's really enjoying his puree. He's enjoying it. Look, I make all his puree at home. At least I must make puree at least once a day for him. Almost every day I make puree. I make fruit puree for him. I don't buy any already made food or fruit in the supermarket. I make everything from home. So you see why you should follow my channel, because you will learn a lot. You might be a mom, you might be a mommy to be. Whatever you are planning to become or you are, you will surely learn something from this my channel. So what is keeping you from subscribing? What is keeping you from subscribing to my channel? As you all can see, he's done eating. He's almost done. So we just have to draw the curtain for today. Till I come your way again, have a wonderful day. Bye.